Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Todd Blackwell. I am one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on the lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's go take a look. Here we have a 2017 Nissan Frontier SV. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with reverse opening rear doors, power side mirrors, deep tinted glass, and much more. The 2017 Nissan Frontier remains a smart pick for a mid-sized pickup truck thanks to its excellent ride quality. The Frontier has 16-inch alloy wheels with silver accents and all-season tires with lots of tread life left. There also has a full-size spare tire and low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this 4Runner is in great condition. It has aero composite halogen headlamps along with a really nice grille and chrome accents and the iconic Nissan emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Nissan has rear-wheel drive and is equipped with a 21.1-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Frontier only has 11,175 miles on it. At the back of the Frontier you can see a cargo lamp, the sliding rear window, and the locking tailgate, along with the step bumper, large brake lights, and sleek chrome badging. In the back seat, you'll notice the Frontier has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the cup holders as well as the underseat storage. These seats also fold up for extra cargo space as needed. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome interior accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in its adjustable cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Frontier is also equipped with door bins, a locking glove box, and in-dash storage. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the cargo lamp, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with driver express down. This Frontier has a very comfortable tilting steering wheel with on-the-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It is also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is your home for your entertainment features and is paired with 4 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has hands-free texting. You also have large climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000-mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.